The actual scanning work took about 40 minutes. This project was recorded at a hotel renovation site in Conghua. The scan area was the restaurant space, where the existing site conditions no longer matched the original drawings. Before the design work could continue, the team needed to remeasure the space and create a reliable record of the actual conditions. For a site of several thousand square meters, manual measurement would normally require 3 to 4 people and take several days. This time, the team used the SHARE 3D CAM renovation scanner. By walking through the site, they captured the spatial data and documented the restaurant area in a single scanning workflow. The actual scanning work took about 40 minutes. For renovation projects with outdated or missing drawings, this workflow helps teams create usable site data for CAD preparation more efficiently.